Good morning, everybody. This is what's running the board. It's 0.60 amps, and this is the waveform from channel 1's on phase A, channel 2's on phase B at the going to the motor. And here's another look at the waveforms. It's running 20 kilohertz, which is 21 kilohertz, which is the frequency of the microchip at this time. And so we're going to turn it on and see what the current does here. It'll run at about 265 RPMs, and now the current's up to 0.98. I really don't trust this meter because you can move this thing around and the readings change. It's really kind of weird. So we can speed it up a tiny bit here. And that's 1 amp minus the 0.6 to run the board. So, and I don't know, let me check the RPMs on this. RPMs is running right around 329. So that's interesting. I'm having a problem burning up these FETs. If I go up to say 600 RPMs, the FETs fry for some reason. And even though I'm not sure what's causing that. I think that maybe they're on too. I don't know what the hell's causing it. Really, I don't know. Anyway, this is where we are, and this is what these waveforms look like. And they're running right around 100. And I noticed channel 2 is about 30 or 40 volts off ground, and channel 1 here is right on ground. That's interesting. That may be a problem. But it's running a lot smoother than it was, and I had to replace the C phase FETs. They're the ones that shorted this time, and the A phase shorted the first time. But the C FETs might have been damaged from the previous when I blew up a 10 amp fuse. So anyway, we can show you the inside. It's running actually very quiet and smooth. And I've got everything adjusted about as perfect as I can get it. And now we're pulling 1.19. If I turn it off, the PC boards now, all the boards are running at 0.5 amps. So it's about a half an amp to run it at whatever this speed was. Anyway, have a good day.